or sobrang akong nawasak kasi sabi mo may chance ako. Kahit yung totoo, wala naman talaga. And the worst part is yung harap ng kayo is sumasatrap ako. We can still be together. Kaya ginawa ko talaga lahat para lang magbalikan tayo. Binuhos ko lahat para syempre nagtira ako para sa akin. May
What's
chance.
that, bro?
Meron talaga. I was
How
so
are
drained
you
that
reading while playing?
homie, nas sa laptop ko nagbabasa.
Oh. Oh, you're dead.
Homie, hindi ka tumulong
You're
sa akin.
dead.
You just watch. You just watch.
Noo.
Gusto ko magkwenta sa inyong gabi ko.
Sige, bumalik kayo, Dora. Subukan mo yung Dora.
Kaya kita naribigan kasi alam kong darating yung time na sa'yo at ikaw yung pipiliin ko. I got confused nung nalasing ako. I got confused nung pinasok ako ng depression ng loneliness ko. Pero ang totoo, yung gabi gusto mo kung kausapin.
Para ako nakikinig sa podcast.
Gusto ko rin magsabi sa'yo kung ano yung nararamdaman ko. But I end up saying na hihintayin ko si ano. Kahit nadudurog ako nung time na yon, nagsisi ako nung nasabi ko yon. Sabi ko sa huli na ang lahat, pero kausapin si Yori. Owi,
Oh, that's so
I think, I don't know, should she give a chance? Because if she did, kasi ako nga din parang legit naman yung feelings
Oo,
niya.
nag-ano naman eh.
Pero,
parang genuine naman yung pagkako.
ang gusto ko sabihin kay Hana, sabihin yung mas lalo na ako na trauma nung yung parang pinalitan mo agad ako kay Keith, yung nadaan pa lang tayo. And I'm scared that kaya ako naka-AKS.
You're scared kasi.
Wait lang. May kaya niya naman to. Chat ko lang kasi
There are hundreds of monsters living in my umbrella.
To all the days we've been together. Heart to heart.
Umbrella, your team destroyed the turret. Shut down.
Okay. Okay. Sige.
Wait lang.
Ginaganyan mo ko, Shiver, ha? Deserve.
Double kill.
Bro, why do you have that?
Attack the Lord.
Ang ganda kayo ng verbatim.
I know.
To miss you.
Bro, I always hear that sa TikTok.
If it works, it's on me. If it doesn't, it's on you. Ally has slain Lord. Your team destroyed a turret. Legendary.
Deserve. Relax. Ano na po?
Oh, deserve.
Team destroyed a turret.
Relax, guys. What the heck?
Ano nalo tayo?
Yeah.
Diretso lang.
I wait, my baby. Bukod sa akin. Okay, bye. Bye.
What? Ano nangyari?
Wala, binugbog ko si Irit sa kiss.
Love it. Galing mong ate.
Thanks! I get that a lot.
Yes. I'm not. Get it.
You're
ate.
not? The
I'm not
coconut
surprised.
nut is a big
It's a
big
giant.
nut. If you eat too much,
Too much you get very fat.
And the
The
coconut,
coconut nut is
not a nut.
a nut.
Yo.
Wasn't
I want 100 of your time. You're
Time.
mine. Dun, dun, dun.
Ito, homie, oh. Kinanta ba natin to?
Lapis block, dito nga rin yun.
Header.
No, kasi masyadong mababa, hindi natin
Ay.
kinaya. Hindi ka marinig ako
Wait,
nito.
oh my god.
Remember, third of December, me and your sweater, Uy, mahulog eh, mami, bumagsak yung kamo ko.
How much I liked you, but I watch your eyes as she walks by. On the other side,
Guys, i-invite si Gian pati si Joko.
No invite. Yes. You gave me your sweater, just polyester. Like a diamond. Wish I
What was then you so I'm getting colder. Ba't ka raw? Babay mo kasi siya.
Your team is banning. Your team is picking.
Homie, no.
Oh,
I did not mean to send that, bro. I meant to send it.
The enemy is picking.
huh? Homie. Wala.
Sniper ready. Give me a target.
Nakakainis ko.
Bakit?
Ayoko na.
Hindi
balik
kasi
na.
sa ano, si DC kasi.
Everything engulfed in
Your
flame.
team is picking.
Hope will find a way, even when all is forlorn.
Not even half.
This probably was fun, but you like her better. Wish I were.
Hindi ko alam.
Test.
Ayaw kasi mag-show
Alpha
eh.
is online.
Enemy is picking.
Sino si Yori?
Are the two greatest
Si Hana?
inventions.
Ano Yoria daw? Oo, hindi mo.
Alam ko, pero like, it's rare for someone to call her sa second name niya.
So, who's next?
Your team is picking.
Pero kasi, fun fact, hindi mo ba ito alam, pero magkalapit bahay nila Iya at ni Hana. Like sa same
Wow.
division lang sila, subdivision.
Come on, Dexter. It's
I
our
think she
showtime.
should give her a chance po. I think.
Pero, yun din sinabi ko, pero sinabi ko, wag siya mag-commit. Kasi baka may nangyari ulit, may pagpalit din siya ulit.
Yeah, like, huwag masyadong kampante.
The enemy is picking.
3,000
Like that,
worlds
want to
my
use the
and
darling.
not a single worthy foe.
Opo. $505?
Yes.
Bro, Arctic Monkeys was like
I do what I
my
want
peak
to do.
noon. Like, best era. May CAI era. Fight and fight the fight, there is no fight to come before. Need all of adventures that your princess place before.
Guys, pagkatanda ko, gagawa ako ng gym tapos papangalanin ko ang
Gym
gym ni
Gym.
Jim mo.
Na, Jim's Gym. Ah,
Jim's Gym.
yes.
Jim's Gym. And nagji-gym si Jim ngayon, no?
Jim's Gym.
Ano,
Kung
ano,
gusto
ano,
mo
ano,
mag-gym, dito ka na sa gym ni Jim.
mag-gym.
At
Gusto
ikaw
mo
ay
mag-
gagayad ni Jim sa gym habang nagji-gym. Eh!
Yay! Oo na.
Smiley.
Hindi, pero gusto ko gumawa talaga ng parang skateboard shop.
Ay, yes. Yes, homie, yes.
Kasi walang
Yes.
ano eh. Wala talagang skateboard shop na napakalapit dito sa
Lagi ako
sa
tatambay dyan talaga sa skateboard shop mo.
ikaw magiging cashier ko, guys.
Yes! In my ghost
Oh,
outfit.
tapos makakahanap ka ng mga ano, skateries. Eh.
Yes! Exactly.
Smash them.
Once again,
All troops deployed.
always just about to go in for your surprise. Take my
It
hand.
seems that very few people know about Onmyodo.
Di ko talaga guess dyan yung ano. With your hands between your thighs with a smile. Like what?
Ano?
Di ko guess yung line na yun.
Ano? Hinahawak niya yung
Oh,
size
oh.
ng babae.
No!
Alam? Marunong.
First blood.
Ito.
I believe in the goodness. But I'll get to you if you
Hindi nakaroon si Bastano.
Okay.
Papansin, dito tuloy pupunta. Ayoko na. Kailangan ko na ubos.
Kung sabihin mo, bumili ng room si Bastana.
Do you want to be my Shikigami?
Sabihin mo, bumili. Hindi room ano.
I'm angry. And I'm not afraid to show it.
The umbrella is yang. The human is yin.
Si Alpha ka?
Enemy double kill.
Yan, patay rin siya. Ang
Double
dali.
kill.
There may left us umbrella. Has been slain. What should I leave behind?
Muted ako, hindi ako makakapagsalita. Please sabihin mo.
I already told her.
Hindi, sabi mo lang room ano eh.
It's her fault if di niya maintindihan.
What dahil? Please sabihin mo, ang boba ni Wex sana.
Okay.
Kaza, please give your blessings to Hayabusa and me.
Request backup. Electrify my love. Ano ba kasi lyrics nun?
Where did you find my love for you?
O, diba? Tama naman ako eh.
You have this. Namatay ulit ang laptop ko. I need to slap it in the back.
Yes.
Narinig mo?
It like it for real.
Curse
For you.
simply means
For
restriction.
you. It sounds so good.
Okay na.
Wow. It just needs it daily at its
Oh my
daily
god,
at
naiinis ako kay Vexana. Naiinis ako kay Vexana.
Thought to
Same.
miss you. Another
Dun
tale.
sabihin mo.
Sinabi ko na nga.
Sabi mo na ba? Eh, sinabi mo ang bobo. Oo. Bakit
Ikaw
pa?
nagsabi nun eh.
Show us what
Bakit
you've
pa?
got.
Ito, tingnan mo. Tingnan mo to.
Uy, Lampia, mamute naman ako. Ako naman yung mamute.
Pero baliktad kasi, baliktad din ito nakalagay. At ayaw din matanggal. Napakaisip mo. Mamaya na. Hindi nasa labas yung isa eh. Ayaw nga no. Okay. Mamaya.
Ay, dito ka pala. Wow. Welcome to my lane po.
Oo. Ay. Kinay-S ako?
Yeah.
Ano, nasa na si Vexana at saka binabas sa room, hindi pa rin alangan kasi bobo siya. Tanga. Naiinis na talaga ako kay Vexana.
Palayasin mo dyan.
Hindi, wala. Hindi ko
Ay.
masabi din. Kung sige, palayasin
Kung
ko.
sabi mo palayasin, ay sabi mo umalis ka.
How? Paano? Paano nga?
Exactly.
Muted ako for 30 seconds. Ay, 30 matches pala.
Kawawa. 30 matches. Grabe, what did you say to deserve that kind
Hindi
of
ko nga
thing?
din alam
People
eh.
know about Omnyon.
Sinabi mo kasi pilingera siya.
Yun lang eh. Like, what the hell?
Electrify my love for you.
The umbrella is yang. The human is yin.
Nagpanik eh. Saying that it feels so good at the sake of mine.
Narinig mo ba music o hindi?
Kinda.
Ay, hindi. Kasi ano. Oh, namatay na naman. Oh, nabuhay na naman.
Wow.
I think may
Amazing.
BPD si aking laptop.
Oh, yeah.
Curse.
Kung may BPD ba, bipolar disorder?
Oo. Okay. Hindi, border personality.
Oh my gosh!
Mm.
Oh! Gabi na! Gusto na ito.
Oh, may nag-focus na kayo, ha?
Show us what you've got.
Yan din, nakabisado ko rin sa smule natin.
Oh, me, alam mo, napaka-konti lang talaga ng ano na to. Ng lyrics.
Ilang ano? A minute.
2 minutes lang, pero wala siyang, merong walang lyrics na to in the fall, pag sa kalahati niya. Puro humming lang.
Uy, wag mo ansarin! Ano ba?
Nagagalit na si Nanay Miomi.
Kaya ano?
It's on me. If it doesn't,
Baby, dyan ka lang. Dito ka. Baby, mahulog ka. Ayaw mo po.
Hindi pa lang, hindi marunong mag-direct si ano.
Kata,
Paano ba siya?
please
Hater
give your
kaya
blessing to
pala.
Hayabusa-ni.
Buti sana kung magaling si Vex sana eh. Hindi na nga siya nakaroon, hindi pa siya magaling. Oh, bro.
Guys, I think sabihin ko yan.
No. 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 Bad.
Do you want to be my Shikigami?
Bad, Leslie. Bad.
Bad.
Bad. Ba. Ba. Ba.
Ba.
Ingrid. Ba.
Aswara, halos ito, basura.
Nasayaw siya sa kanta.
Pumiin na para magising na tayo.
Please give your blessings to Hayabusa-ni.
Ianda para ano?
Para maging mayaman na tayo.
Umbrella. I believe in the goodness of people, but I'll get to you if you upset me.
Nice one.
I hope you have
Ay, hindi pala ito si Claude. Akala ko si Claude. Hindi pala nice one. KS pala.
Dalawang screenshot.
Wala siyang takas eh.
There are hundreds of monsters living in my umbrella.
Only back. Only back.
Patay natin si Batman.
The umbrella is
Sayang.
the human is win.
Tawa na ugali, no? Sariling kakampi.
I think she deserves it. She deserves. Ano na ba boses ko? She deserves it.
Omi! Omi,
Homie!
bakit?
Wala ka bang SS?
Wala!
Ay, wala ba?
Ano lang?
I thought meron na.
No, wala.
Ako sa baba.
Oh, it's not ready.
Do you want to be my Shikigami?
Mommy Bruno Mars. Request
Okay.
po, Bruno Mars.
Bruno Marcino. If I would catch a grenade for you.
No,
Kahit anong song mo.
yeah. Wala ba kasing setter dyan? Ano ba yan? Wala mo yung setter, sayang yun. Bida-bida kasi si Vex sana eh. Bro, why that?
Bakit? Ito yung first na nagpapak ko. Guys, ayoko na.
Bro, nalalaki sayaw dyan.
Paano guys?
Wait lang, ito, sinasayaw ko na homie.
Another team.
Oh, panis!
Nasaya mo ba? Wait, pakita mo ulit. I think I need to see it
Ito.
again. Ay, ay.
I'm gonna just let's do it one more time.
Oh, iniwanan na lang ako. Puta.
No. Pull up sa, put on some Doja Cat.
Okay.
Opo!
Ay, pussy. O, chat pa.
Kilos ko.
Gaza,
Alam mo
please
to?
give your blessings to higher
Alam mo to?
me.
Ibabali mo ko.
There are hundreds of monsters living in my umbrella.
Touch me if you can. Oh, hey, don't touch me. I'm gonna show you what. I wanna brag about it. I wanna tag you out. I wanna show you what. I wanna show you what.
Ayoko na, homie.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I wanna show you what. Patay ka? You're
Yep.
dead.
I think, yes.
Parang bading yung bangkay mo. So gay.
What?
Hashtag Pride Month.
Enemy has slain Lord.
Ayan, nakuha yung Lord. It's so lonely in my mansion. Gusto mo ha, Picaro?
I believe in the twisted
Sabi,
Ult is not ready.
Ano ba yun?
another to hate. Umbrella, show us what you've got.
Gusto mo ha, Picaro? Nalagay like naman. I wanna show you what. I wanna show you what. I wanna talk about it. I wanna try them out. I wanna show you
The
what.
umbrella is
I wanna
game.
show you
The
what.
human
Need to know.
ano play ko na nito na?
Need to know what. Oh my gosh, nag-ulti ako sa clone niya.
I-play ko na ba ang need to
Go,
know?
go, go, go.
I-play ko na ba?
Opo.
Initiate retreat. You have slain an enemy. Double kill. Launch attack.
Guys, ano ba counter kay ano, Dairon?
Seme left us the umbrella.
Twilight muna.
What's that leave behind?
Oh, oh, oh.
Ult is not ready.
Say it again. You need to know. I'd be 10,000. Yeah,
Do you
yeah.
want to be my
Oh,
sister?
oh, oh.
Attack.
Say it again. I need to know. What you say? I don't think with my friends. I knew what you wanted, yeah. Oh, oh, oh. I got the control.
Initiate retreat.
I'm going to the for you, take me and tell me the I don't want to tell me to do my mental part. Things are good, and it's not. Gonna let me I'll be feeling you in the super you better.
Slain Lord.
Bottom, sa bottom yun.
If it works,
Bottom
it's
yellow.
on me.
Bottom yellow.
If it
Bottom
doesn't,
guys.
it's on you.
Guys, bottom daw siya.
I hope you talk so hard out.
Sanity if you could handle yourself, follow the respect, can make yourself. Sorry, I figure you're running the legend, traffic in the metallic night. Oh, wait, it's a fan of the medical. You're like a headache again. I heard most of the feeling it hurts. This is how it happens.
Our turret is under attack.
Just one night, me clink with the drink in your sip. Come on, keep in the sip. Patay. Oh, taking it again for what you want to do.
Ay, ito na, Brad.
Talo na naman, tayo na naman, nabawi ang start,
Set.
hindi ko alam, wala na palang kakampi, yeah. Kala ko ay, boy pa tayo, ngayon
5,
nag-rush
4, ay, parang sinasabihan ako, guys.
I think
Ako pa
hindi.
sinasabihan.
I think hindi
ako ba
po.
yun?
Hindi po ikaw yun. I'm
Hindi
pretty
po
sure
ba
hindi
ako?
ikaw yun.
I think ako po eh. I think ako sinasabihan.
Defeat.
Homie, think about this. 4. Pang ilan yun sa month?
I think April. I think
January, February, March, April.
Eh, tama ako,
Now,
April. Oh,
What did he say? Di ba 10? April
yes.
10. That could only mean one thing.
What? What is
Homie.
it?
He's saying it's his birthday during that time and you forgot to greet him. So now
right,
he's
right.
mad. You forgot
Yes,
about his birthday.
I think totoo po.
Yes. Okay guys. Bukas naman guys. Nagagalit na
guys.
si Mother Earth.
Ano, end call na po ba?